to configure parameters for welding machine. Click Initial greater than Peripheral greater than Welder to enter parameter configuring interface. For welding machine, take controller iOS as an example. Set CIO as Arc Start Success Signal Input. We can define digital inputs and outputs according to our real wiring connections. For example, set CO0 for starting arsing. Setting CO1 for gas detection. Set CO2 for forward wire feeding. Set CO3 for reverse wire feeding. Press Set key to confirm configurations. Before configuring welding current and voltage, we need to turn one knob function off. Set AO0, Analog Voltage Output 0 for controlling welding current. Click IO key to set analog voltage manually. It outputs 0 to 10 volts for controlling welding current. When 100% means 10 volts, max welding current is 3 for 7 amps. Input 347 amps on this. When 0% means 0 volts, min welding current is to 1 amps. Input 21 amps on this. Set AO1, Analog Voltage Output 1 for controlling welding voltage. When 100% means 10 volts, max welding voltage is 47.9 volts. Input 47.9 V on this. When 0% means 0 volts, min welding voltage is 0 volts. Input 0 volts on this. We can control arsing, wire feeding, gas valve on this interface, and welding machine manually. Thank you.